Welcome back, kids. Today we'll be learning about bird names. This is a blue jay. This is an eagle. This is a hawk. This is a finch. This is a hummingbird. This is a pigeon. This is a crow. This is a seagull. This is an owl. This is a woodpecker. This is a falcon. This is a sparrow. This is a parrot. This is a swallow. This is a goose. This is a heron. This is a kingfisher. This is a magpie. This is a canary. This is a wren. This is an osprey. This is a stork. This is an albatross. This is a toucan. This is a puffin. This is a duck. This is a cormorant. This is a chickadee. This is a sandpiper. This is a grosbeak. This is a kestrel. This is an oriole. This is a pelican. This is a shrike. This is a snowy owl. This is a swallow-tailed kite. This is a vulture. This is a lapwing. This is a peacock. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Goodbye, kids.